The Expedition, Ford's largest SUV, has been redesigned, getting slightly lighter and more fuel efficient, yet adding comfort, convenience, and optional advanced safety features. The Expedition comes in two lengths. We tested the longer version, called Max, which competes directly against the Chevrolet Suburban. Even though it doesn't have a V8, the 375 horsepower 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 engine catapults this coach easily. The ride is composed, but on the stiff side, and definitely not as comfortable as some other three-row SUVs. At least the interior stays impressively quiet. Because of how big this truck is, it's no surprise that the massive Expedition doesn't lend itself to very responsive handling. Getting in or out can be a challenge. The Expedition's optional retractable running boards are helpful given the steep step-in height. Once inside, you'll find a spacious, modern-looking interior that's constructed of high-quality materials. We especially like the luxury touches, like stitching on the padded upper dash and door trim and center console. Ford didn't skimp on the seats, which are large and supportive, even though they have only two-way lumbar adjustments. Second-row passengers will also enjoy sumptuous seats. Getting into the third-row seat is fairly easy. A one-handed flip of a lever on the second-row seat slides it up and out of the way, creating a path that is wide enough for an adult. While the Expedition Max is massive, the views out aren't terrible. Blind spot warning with trailer tow warning comes standard in limited and higher trims, and all models get rear parking sensors, a must for a vehicle this size. The controls are simple to use and clearly labeled, with large knobs and buttons to control primary audio and climate systems. The Sync 3 touch screen is a bit of a reach for drivers, but it's easy to use for audio, phone, and navigation functions. The driver uses a rotary gear selector, and it works well. One feature parents of young kids might love is the optional rear entertainment system. The Expedition also has lots of cup holders and a ton of interior storage options. This enormous SUV handles cargo hauling duties with ease. The limited trim includes a foot-activated hands-free power liftgate. Switches in the cargo area make it easy to fold or unfold the power-operated second and third-row seatbacks. When it comes to buying, we'd make sure we'd get the optional forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot warning. These are available on all but the base XL trim. Our $75,000 Limited certainly performed the tasks it was designed to do, but it might just be overkill for those who don't need such capabilities. For more on SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.